Okay, now we're working on some purling. So purling, everything is kind of backwards. So every time I purl, instead of my yarn being in the back, I want it in the front. So if I'm knitting and the yarn is in the front, that's a common mistake actually, and things are gonna get wonky. Look, you're gonna get that weird stitch. If you find you're having like weird loopy overs, that might be what you're doing, is having your yarn in the front when you're knitting. So when you're knitting, yarn is in the back of the right hand needle. When you're purling, yarn is in the front, okay? So, and instead of going like this for knitting, we're coming in from the other side of the first stitch. So we're coming from the right to the left. And this time the right hand needle is on top. So I'm gonna kind of pinch it together. Yarn still comes around the back of the needle, and then the stitch gets popped off. So some of the principles are the same, but instead the yarn is in the front, it comes around the front. We're still going between those stitches 1 and 2, but instead we go from front to back. We're in the front, we go to the back. So I'll do a couple from the front and then I'll kind of show the back so you can see what's happening. All right, this time I'm going to kind of angle to the back after so that you can kind of see. Once I get my loop, I'm just in between that first and second stitch, coming to the back with that loop, and it comes off. So see, watch my right hand needle. See, there's my stitch. And I just have to get it off. See, there it was. That's it. All right. One more, nice and slow. Okay.